Input and output devices. We know that computer is an electronic machine. Computer processes the input data and gives the result as an output. So, computer works on the principle of input process output, i.e. IPO cycle. For this purpose, input and output devices are required. IPO cycle. A computer is an electronic device that processes information and gives output according to the input feed. A computer can also store and retrieve information. Thus, a computer is a device that does basically three functions. It takes data as input. It processes the input according to the instructions given. It gives the result as an output. Input devices. There are few devices which are used to feed the data into the computer. These are called input devices. Some of the input devices are keyboard. Keyboard is the most commonly used integral part of a computer. Keyboard looks like a typewriter. Keyboard has small buttons known as keys. A standard keyboard is often known as QWERTY keyboard because the first 6 keys on the top row of the alphabet keys on the keyboard is Q, W, E, R, T, and Y. Normally, keyboard has 104 keys. Keyboard is used to enter alphabet, numbers, and other special symbols. Nowadays, wireless or codeless keyboards are also available. Using keyboard shortcuts. Let us learn some useful keyboard shortcuts, which are the commands for choosing menu options. You can give these commands using the keyboard instead of mouse. They are called shortcuts because they help you to work faster. These commands are a combination of the Alt or the Control key along with some other keys. The plus sign, plus, between two or more keys means that you need to press these keys together. For example, Control plus C means that you need to press and hold down Control and then press C. The following table lists some useful shortcut keys. Mouse. The mouse is a point-and-draw device which is used to give input to the system. Mouse is mainly used to select and open objects on the computer screen. This is an input device with 2 or 3 buttons on the top. It is also known as pointing device. It is used to choose menus, draw pictures, and play games. Optical mouse and laser mouse are more accurate and reliable than traditional mouse. A mouse consists of left mouse button, right mouse button, scroll wheel button, left mouse button, right mouse button. Nowadays, wireless or codeless mouses are also available. Scanner. A scanner is an input device that scans documents such as photographs and pages of text. A scanner is an eye of the computer. The scanned images can be seen on the monitor. Scanner works by passing light over the pages to be scanned. A scanner converts paper images into digital or electronic images. It contains a camera, which is made up of tiny cells, and each cell is called charge-coupled device, CCD. Each CCD transmits a small part of the image to the computer. There are 3 basic types of scanners: flatbed scanner, sheet-fed scanner, handheld scanner. Flatbed scanner, sheet-fed scanner, handheld scanner. Microphone. Microphone is used to record sound on a computer. It is also used to speak with others on internet while chatting. Microphone is also known as mic. Joystick. A joystick is also a pointing device that is generally used to play games on the computer. People use it basically to play games on the computer. It can be moved at various angles to change the direction of the device it is controlling. A joystick has many buttons which can be used to give inputs to the computer. At present, joysticks are also used in designing programs. Joystick is operated like a gear of the car. Aircraft too have joystick. A pilot uses a joystick to control the flight of a plane.